So, hey. Ho, 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 ho. La, la, la. I was just outside in the cold, so I'm awake a lot more than yesterday. Yesterday, I was very tired. Today, little energy, a little bit more energy. It snowed here in Westover, Maryland. It snows here sometimes, not as much as it did in Philadelphia, where I'm originally from. So we decided to take the dogs out and check everything out with the 3D focus and the RS2 and a 28mm Canon FD lens, vintage, whatever. It's so weird saying anything's vintage that was made in the 80s. So, did some slow motion action, tried to follow dogs around hard again. My wife followed her around. Fun. Welcome to my shitty life. Because I am tracking my lovely wife. Come on.
Can I get the dogs?
I know. See, you smell it?
I think we have a septic issue
Yeah.
that I've been neglecting to address.
Okay.
I'm afraid. I think the whole pipe is going to have to be replaced.
Yeah. We'll see.
That doesn't
Sounds horrible, right? Woo! Where'd they go? There they are. 28mm f4 ND at 5 because it's bright. Oh yeah. Good. Puppies. I'm gonna make a puppy collage. We come over here and you run away. Can't keep up with y'all, dude. Yes, dear. Oh, this